If you're considering a portable washer, this one here is perfect for small, lightweight loads like baby clothes, socks, or any lightweight item you need a quick and easy wash for. When it's folded, it's nice and compact and doesn't take up much space, which is super helpful if you're short on room. For the wash cycle, you use the main tub only. Make sure the spin basket isn't inside. And then add your desired amount of water, whether hot or cold, a small amount of detergent, or even a detergent sheet like I used, and then toss in your lightweight dirty laundry. I even sprinkled in a few scent beads to show you how it handles them, and then let it wash like normal. You can easily choose between 3, 5, or 10-minute cycles. While it's running, it's actually very quiet. It makes a light washing sound, but it's not loud or disruptive at all. I could easily run this and not worry about it waking my baby. Once the wash cycle is finished, you drain the water first through the port in the back, and then add the spin basket for a quick spin cycle to help remove excess water and help the items dry a bit quicker. The spin basket itself is pretty small, so you don't want to overload it. I had about 5 baby items in it here, and that was really the max. If the clothes aren't placed evenly around the basket, the unit can shake, and items may not spin properly or even get slung out of the basket. But as long as everything's positioned well, it does a tremendous job removing excess water. You can see here how the water drains from the included hose during the cycle. Now, a quick note, I did notice a few minor scuff marks on mine, and the control panel wasn't perfectly aligned, but it didn't affect how the washer actually works. But I wanted to mention it in case aesthetic is something that's important to you. Overall, this is a really good option if you're looking for something compact and simple for lightweight loads. As long as you keep expectations realistic and use it the way it's intended, it does what it's meant to do, and I was personally really pleased.